A dynasty doesn't come together in a day. It's built. One decision, one project, one challenge at a time. From the first spark of an idea to the last bolt tightened, every step matters. It's not just about putting up buildings. It's about leaving something behind that stands the test of time. At Primus, we're building more than just the biggest, most advanced industrial spaces in the country. We're creating landmarks, places that speak to our commitments to service, skill, and sustainability, monuments to legacy and purpose. Together, we've shaped this industry with our hands. Whether it's Kansas City, Jacksonville, or Vegas, our people have determined the destiny of design build. 2024 wasn't just another year. It was the year that we pushed past what we thought was possible and raised the bar. We faced challenges head on and didn't just get through them. We crushed them. And as the dust settles, one thing's clear. This is just the start. Each year means new faces, talent, and technologies. And for those of us who've been here since the beginning, every project is a chance to grow and to pass down what we've learned. The work we're doing here is bigger than just one person or even 1 year. We're forging something greater, something built on collective craftsmanship. That's because a dynasty isn't something built alone. From front-end services and automation to design and the thermal envelope, we're all pushing and shaping our industry for the better. We're Primus, and 2025 is ours to forge. We're forging a dynasty.